Sino ba ang nagtayo ng Iglesia Katolika? Hindi ko kilala yung mga tao na yun, hindi pa ako buhay noon. Yang relihiyon na yan, hindi ko kilala yung mga taong nagtayo, hindi pa ako tao noon eh. 2,000 years ago. 2,000 years ago. 2,000 years ago.
The New Book of Knowledge, Volume 16, page 281. Roman Catholic Church. The history of the Roman Catholic Church began in upper room in Jerusalem. Almost 2,000 years ago. Gloria Universal Encyclopedia, Volume 5, page 106. Catholic Church, Greek Catholicos, Universal, General. Term generally applied to the divine society founded by Jesus Christ.